fix Roblox, this experience is restricted by your parental controls allowed experiences system. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Roblox application. You can do it in both web or your application. Then go to more from your bottom right corner. Then go to settings. After that, go to parental controls. Now, in this allowed experiences section, tap on all ages. And now your problem will be fixed. Simply enter your parent PIN or set up a parent PIN if you are a parent, but yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.